Community Viewpoint.
Hello, good afternoon, and welcome to Community Viewpoint. I'm your host for this segment, Maria Guerra. I'm so happy to be here with you tonight to bring you some important community information. As you know, for the last, like 15, 17 years, John Pollock and I, Maria Guerra, have been bringing you all sorts of information, whether it be community events, community information, entertainment, environmental stuff, all kinds of stuff. And so today, I'm going to bring you some information about a really cool event that's going to be happening on the 16th. And it is the Nye County Social Service Fair, the 5th annual. We're going to show you a picture of the flyer. There it is. The Nye County presents the 5th annual Social Services Fair. And it's a bunch of resources. So go ahead and come back to me for a second. Hello. So there's going to be 47 plus vendors there. And it's going to be on the 16th. It's going to be at the Nye Communities Coalition, and it's going to be from 9 to 2. So it's a good amount of time, and it's right there at the Nye Communities Coalition, right on the corner of West and Wilson. And what they're going to have there is a lot of community resources, healthcare providers, social service agencies. They're going to have raffles. Each table is going to have a raffle basket. So if you attend and go find out some of the services, you can win a raffle basket. They're going to have free HIV testing and free syphilis screenings in a private medical van right outside the building. So that can be done privately. And HIV testing is done by what's called a rapid test. And it's, from what I understand, it's a finger poke, and you find out results right away, rapidly with the rapid test. And the syphilis screening, if you want to find out more information on it, we're just going to show you a little graphic here. You can go to the CDC. But what the screening is, what syphilis is it's a sexually transmitted infection that can cause serious health problems. It can be it can cause all kinds of problems, and there's different stages. And so it can start with sores, can move into the lymph nodes. It can also lead to many medical problems. So it can, there's all kinds of many problems that can be associated with it. It can affect you if you're pregnant. So it's really important to get screened for that. If you haven't been screened for that, and they're going to do it free. I have this graphic up here. That's the treatment, but I basically just wanted to show the graphic because you can go to the cdc.gov and get more information about that. Let's go ahead and come back. But they're going to have the van out there, a medical van, so it can be done in private, and they're going to do free HIV rapid tests and syphilis screenings. So that's going to be really important for everybody to get down there and do that if you want to get tested for that, and it's all free. Another thing that will be there is free dental exams. So dental exams that are also going to include fluoride treatments. So that's really cool. So get the kiddos down there, get their dental exam, and they can get a free fluoride treatment, which is super cool. There's going to be so many services this year. And the Nye County Social Service Fair has been going on. This is the 5th year. And every year it just seems to get a little bit better. More service providers, more social services. And really, it's an array, whether you have a family with small children or whether you're a senior, there's really services for everybody there. So it's a really valuable event for everybody in the community to just attend so that you know what's going on in your community. You might see somebody, a senior service, and you might have a neighbor who might need that service and you didn't know it was out there. So it's a really good way to get to know what's going on in your community, who's out there, and what services they provide, because you yourself may need something or you may know somebody that needs something. Another cool thing that's going to happen this year that hasn't happened in the past is they're going to have the DUI simulator. And this is going to again be, I'm going to show you the flyer really quick right now. We're going to put the flyer up. And that's going to be at the Nye Communities Coalition. And their address is 1020 East Wilson Road, and it's on the corner of Wilson and West Street. And if you need more information, you can call Irene at 775-751-7095. And so they're going to have a DUI simulator there at the Coalition that day. So that's going to be really cool. Also, something else that's important they're going to have is free Narcan training. And if you don't know what that is, I'm going to tell you right now. Narcan training is training that somebody can go through to learn how to administer a medication called Narcan. And what that is it's a nasal spray that can be administered to somebody who may be going into an opioid overdose. That's a serious thing. So this training is really good for everybody to get because you never know what can happen in your community. Kind of like being trained for CPR, you just never know, and it's good to be trained. I actually went through that training myself, and it was very simple, to the point, but it's a very serious thing, and it's something that it's not bad for everybody to be trained on Narcan. And I believe they're going to have the medication available for everybody who gets trained to carry it with them. So once you go through the training and you learn how to administer this medication via nasal spray through to the patient who might be going into an opioid overdose, once you go through the training, I believe they'll give you the Narcan to carry with you. Otherwise, they'll tell you when and where you can go get it. Anyway, so that's going to be really, really cool that they're having that free Narcan training there at the social service fair. That's a really, really cool. Like, there's all these things that are coming together, not to mention the 47 plus vendors that are going to be talking about all their services. From WIC, Nye County WIC will be there. Nye County Health and Human Services. The Nye Community's health nurse, the community health nurse, is going to be there. And if you need any information on this stuff before or after the service fair, Nye County Health and Human Services, their phone number is 775-751-7095. The Community Health Nurse's office number is 775-751-7070. The Nye County WIC office number is 775-727-4884. So if you need information on any of those services, you can call there. Also, Nye County Health and Human Services is who's putting on the Nye County 5th Annual Social Service Fair. So let's put the flyer up one more time. I just want to keep putting the flyer up so you know, if you see it around town, you know it's coming up. It's on Thursday, January 16th at the Nye Communities Coalition in their Activity Center, 1020 East Wilson Road, Pahrump, Nevada, from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Again, free HIV testing and syphilis screening is available. Resource information and free raffle prizes. For more information about it, you can call Irene at 775-751-7095 or email Irene Dunlap at idunlap@co.nye.nv.us. You can go ahead and come back. So there's information that you can get probably at the community health nurse's table. She's going to have all this information, but if you are watching this and you miss the fair or you're not going to be able to make it, you can call the Nye Communities Coalition. You can call the Nye Communities Coalition to get their number, but you can call the Nye Community Health Nurse to get more information. They have information like HIV facts. They will have information, more information like on the syphilis information, more information on STIs, information on immunizations. So that's a really good resource to know in town. And if you don't know what resource you need, it's going to be really good for you to attend this event. So again, Nye County presents the 5th Annual Social Service Fair, 47 plus vendors. The Nevada Welfare Department is going to be there. There's going to be so many resources there. Southern Nevada Health District is going to be there. They're going to be doing free dental screenings and fluoride varnishes. The DUI simulator, that is kind of fun, but also serious too. I think everybody should participate in that. That way you know, like the gravity of what could happen driving under the influence, and we don't want anybody to do that. Free Narcan training, and again, Narcan is a medication that can be administered to somebody who may be going through an opioid overdose. And so they're going to be doing the free training there for that. And also the free HIV testing and free syphilis screenings in a private medical van. So all the testing is done in private, and all of it is for free. So this whole event is free to the public, and there's even prizes. So that's pretty cool. So every table will have a prize. You'll get a raffle ticket when you go in. I think they'll give raffle tickets out as well during the event, and every table is going to have a raffle prize. So with 47 plus vendors, you know there's going to be 47 chances to win a prize. So that's pretty cool in itself. So please go attend that event, find out what's going on in your community. It has been a pleasure to bring this information to you, and I hope everybody gets something out of the 5th annual Nye County Social Services Fair. Thank you so much. I'm just going to run through it one more time. I just want you to show the flyer one more time. There we go. Again, the Nye County 5th Annual Social Service Fair. If you're just joining us, please go. It's on Thursday, January 16th from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Nye Communities Coalition in the Activity Center. Again, free HIV testing, free syphilis screenings, free DUI simulator, free Narcan training, free dental exams with fluoride treatments, and 47 plus vendors. Go ahead and come back. So thank you again. If you missed any part of this program and you want to watch it again, and you just need the numbers or any other information, you want to see Community Viewpoint again with either myself, Maria Guerra, or my other host from Community Viewpoint, John Pollock. If you want to see either one of us, you just go to kpvm.tv and click the link to local programming, or you can go to YouTube, find our channel, Channel 25, type in KPVM 25. You will see our channel on YouTube. Just click on that, scroll down to Community Viewpoint, and you can watch us over and over again. And then please hit subscribe on the KPVM channel, and also hit the like button if you liked any part of this show, or if you just want to support us. We appreciate it. It has been a pleasure to bring you this information. And again, one more time before we go, this event, the Nye County Annual Social Service Fair, is going to be at 1020 East Wilson Road on the corner of Wilson and West Street at the Nye Communities Coalition from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Thursday, January 16th. So it's coming up. So please attend the event so that you can find out all the services in the community. And like I said before, you never know what you might know somebody, or you might have a family member who might need to utilize one of these services. So thank you so much for joining me tonight. And we will see you again next week, and have a wonderful, safe week. And you'll see all the 47 plus vendors and find out all the services that are available at the Nye County Social Service Fair, the 5th annual one at the Nye Communities Coalition. And we'll see you next week. Thanks for joining us. Also find us on Facebook, Community Viewpoint, KPVM on Facebook. Give us a like on there, or find us at kpvm.tv or on YouTube. Thank you so much. Good night.